up. So I hope you're out there having a great day. Today we're going to be doing a couple of things. Right now we're trying to get the trunk pieces out. It's got a sub in it. We got to take the subs out, the back seats out, and get it all unhooked so we can get the cover for it out. That's your hood. Where's your trunk pop button? So this is what we're trying to remove. Golly, Dylan, dirty. We're gonna try to take this piece out because it's rotted and fallen in here. We're gonna build a new piece, and it's gonna have this here on it. So we're gonna do like a wood look with some laminate in the trunk as we do that. After we get this piece out, before we go buy the stuff, we're going to take the car, we're going to drop it off and have a Starlight headliner put in it. And then we're later on this afternoon, after we work on this a little bit, we got to go pick up a new back bumper for this that he found that'll have to be painted and kind of matched up. It's going to go a lot better with the skirts and the front lip that we just had installed. It's going to kind of give it an even look all the way around and look great. So right now we're going to go ahead and get this piece out and then get ready to take the car down to get the Starlight headliner put in. All right, so we got the piece out. Dylan's pulling his car around front now. We're about to leave to go get the Starlight headliner put in. Here's the piece we're going to be taking and building. We got to get a new piece of wood that'll cover. We're probably going to go a little thicker, a little better material than what's here. The trunk had a leak in it at one point, and when it did, it caused this to just you can see it messed up completely. So we're going to go back with a new piece of wood and then cut out or replace the carpet with the linoleum. But now we're going to leave and head towards getting the Starlight headliner put in. All right, so I guess I'm following you.
Yeah, I sent you the address.
All right, well then I'll follow you then. Okay.
Okay.
So we're here. Dylan's dropping the car off now. They're gonna put the Starlight headliner in it. It's gonna look sweet. On the way in, we passed a couple of yard sales. We may stop and hit those on the way back through. I'm not sure yet. But regardless, we are gonna go to Lowe's after we're gonna go back to the shop, pull some measurements, figure out what we need, and then we're gonna go to Lowe's, buy all the materials, and start on his trunk cover. And then when that guy messages us about the bumper, we're gonna go pick that up afterwards. All right, so we got the materials. Dylan's outlining the piece that we gotta cut now. And we're gonna get that cut and then try to attach the laminate to that the best we can. So we got it done. It's under here sitting and drying. We put the board on there and the tire to keep it kind of an even pressure. But now we're gonna let it dry, and then when it's done drying, we got to go get the car, but it's not going to be done later till tonight when they get the Starlight headliner finished. Then we'll bring it back here, put the piece in the trunk, put everything back together with all the subs and everything, and then we should be good to go. So we'll see you when we get closer to that process. All right, so we just got back. We went and picked up the Mustang and we installed the wood grain floors, and picked it up from the guy that was doing the Starlight headliner. Here's the wood grain that we cut out, got in there. It's kind of hard to see better a little bit. So yeah, so there was what we come up with when we glued the piece down there. We got a whole new piece of wood here that's solid and won't go anywhere. The other one was falling in and caved. It's right there. So that was the end results on that. Next, I'm going to show you the Starlight headliner. So here was the end results on the headliner. I hope that shows up really well on camera. Turned out pretty nice, at least looking at it here. I'm not sure how the camera picks it up, but it looks really good. Dylan said his only complaint with it was that most of the lights were in the back rather than up front. Well, that's going to do it for this episode. If you enjoyed this, leave a like and subscribe, and until next time, be great.